Are you curious about artificial intelligence, but don't know where to begin? Today, we're guiding you through the top 5 free AI courses perfect for beginners. Whether you want to boost your tech skills for work or enrich your daily life, this rundown will make it easy to take your first steps into AI. Imagine unlocking powerful AI skills right from your living room. With courses designed around daily life examples, these 5 hand-picked resources include step-by-step guides and interactive exercises, making complex topics accessible even if you're just getting started. Let's dive into our first recommended course and set your learning journey in motion. Our first stop is Google's Introduction to Machine Learning Crash Course. With clear visuals and fun interactive lessons, you'll quickly grasp the basics of AI for tasks like organizing data or making smarter recommendations. This foundational knowledge builds your confidence and sets the stage for more advanced exploration ahead. Next up is IBM's Applied AI course, focused on real-world scenarios you encounter every day. You'll learn how smart virtual assistants work and how simple AI solutions are built into smartphones or home devices. It's all about connecting AI concepts to familiar moments and empowering you to spot AI's presence everywhere. Our third recommendation is Microsoft's AI for Beginners. This course uses easy-to-understand modules to explain how algorithms solve common problems, like sorting emails or predicting weather shifts. By connecting practical applications to daily tasks, you'll see how AI quietly enhances your routines without you ever noticing. Fourth on our list, Elements of AI by the University of Helsinki breaks down intimidating concepts into friendly, bite-sized lessons. You'll explore how computers understand language, recognize images, and even spot patterns humans might miss. This blended approach makes mastering AI approachable, structured, and fun for absolute beginners. Rounding off our top 5 is Coursera's AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng, perhaps the most accessible and inspiring course available. Discover the practical realities of AI, focusing on how it affects the workplace and broader society. By connecting global trends to personal experience, you'll gain insight into how AI shapes both your career and daily habits. As you explore these free courses, you'll recognize that AI's value goes far beyond just coding. It's about understanding how technology seamlessly weaves into everyday life, helping you make smarter choices at home, on the job, and wherever you go. These resources give you tools to thrive in a rapidly evolving digital world. Learning about artificial intelligence doesn't have to be daunting or expensive. By starting with these structured, beginner-friendly courses, you're setting yourself up for tech-savvy living and more informed daily decisions. Each platform opens doors to skills you can use immediately, making smart living an achievable goal for everyone. Ready to start learning? Subscribe for more guides and tech insights, and let's empower each other through smart, free learning. Share this video with friends eager to make AI part of their daily lives. And remember, with the right tools, anyone can become tech-savvy in today's digital age.